Rooftop time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Just in 1991 Ford Mustang Convertible LX with a 5-liter underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC, paired up with an automatic transmission. Bright red EP paint coat on this one. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, a little over 46,000 miles on this one. Couple little spots where it's been touched up in the front, I noticed. See one little one there, if I can get it to stand out. But as you can see, paint has a nice luster to it. Take a look at the rest of the grille, front bumper, front fascia, headlights. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the interior engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the pony wheels, radial tires. Take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see it's pretty much free of any dings, nicks, or scratches. Show you one little one I noticed in the back also. Red interior, cloth buckets, center console with that shifter on the floor. Stock AM FM cassette radio. Does have a power top. It is a black vinyl top with a rear glass window. And at the end of this video, we're going to pop that up, take a look at it, see the condition. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. One little spot I noticed too in the black that's been touched up right here. Wanted to point that out. And again, nothing real major that you notice. Just want to give you a fair idea of the condition of the car. Convertible top boot, braid boot, fits nicely. Also a nice shape. Red vinyl to match. There's also the container that it goes in, the little fold-up vinyl snap envelope style package. You can put that convertible top in, put it in your trunk when not in use. That will be included with it and be in the trunk of the car. Of course, dual exhaust. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, really free of anything major for nicks, dings, or scratches down this side also. Remember, original miles, 46,402 or 3, I believe it is. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, original door panels. This is the original interior. Now you got to remember, with the reds and the burgundies, if I stand back, right there is going to give you probably the real true color of that interior. As I get up on top of it, it really wants to wash it out, FYI. It is not that light. It is like that right there. Just so you know. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Once again, 5-liter V8 high output 302 underneath the hood. As you can see, tack works. Voltage or battery gauge, oil pressure, fuel. And assuming that temp gauge is going to come up with the temperature of the car. Power top switch right here. Radio is in working order also. Automatic transmission. You can see the carpeting. Nice shape on this one. Dash not cracked. Sun baked, anything like that. Also want to let you know, you're going to see some dark spots in the pictures. That's actually the shadow from the steering wheel. You can see if I put my hand over it, it does the same thing. So that's the shadow from the steering wheel. It's not really stained carpeting. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back and hear it run. No crazy exhaust, no cammed engine. It's a good sounding 91 Mustang. Speaking of which, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and then we'll finish up checking out the black vinyl top. There we go. Get the hood propped up. Tell that hood liner looks original. Does not appear that this thing's really been driven in much for inclement weather. Which doesn't surprise me with the rear wheel drive and convertible. There's that 5 liter. High output 302. Got the newer Motorcraft battery. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Doesn't look like a lot of modifications in any of them here. It's a nice, clean, tidy stock engine bay. Smooth running too. Sounds good. All right, one last time I'll pause this. Let's get that convertible top up. Check that out, and we'll finish up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the top up. Again, power top, black vinyl, good shape. Take a look how it fits along the front windshield here. Free of rips, holes, tears. It's gonna protect you from the rain, sun, whatever the case may be if you need to put it up. Rear glass window, and as you can see, clear and in good shape there also. Passenger side. Once again, as you can see, good shape. What you'd expect from looking at the rest of this car. Nice Fox bodies. Convertible 1991 model year. LX 5 liter underneath the hood. Automatic transmission. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call 39.